Let's go over the answers at the bottom of 38. Okay, so here we are. The first one we know is in the key of C, right? So if I know I'm in the key of C, let's put in the solfege quickly. So the key of C, oh, first of all, let me go over the first one. So this is just writing in the solfege here. Sorry, I got a little glare. So writing in the solfege, do, mi, so, do, ti, la, fa, re, do. Do, mi, so, do, ti, la, fa, re, do. All right, now let's take a look at the next one. So the next one, here is your first example, okay? So the first example is, if I'm in the key of C, C is what? C is do, right? If I'm in the key of C, C is do. So I'm gonna write in here do. What's that one? So do, ti, la. Do, ti, la, so, fa. And then so, fa, mi, re, and back home to do. Now, it's asking us to transpose this up a major second, okay? So we're going to transpose it up a major second. So if I make a little interval here, C, major second up from C is D. So now I know I'm in the key of D. So the first thing I'm going to do, and I forgot this before, I apologize. The first thing I'm going to do is put my key signature, fat, cats. Then I need to put my time signature, 2-4. And then I literally rewrite everything, one step up. And that's it. I'm going to rewrite everything one step up the whole way through. Okay, and you get the idea. Not very clean, sorry. Same interval. Do, la, fa, so, fa, mi, re, do. That wasn't right, but I'll play that for you in a minute. Now let's try this one. So let's do, now this one's a little trickier, and this is where I like to use the keyboard. So now we're descending, okay? And descending gets a little tricky because for me in my head, it's just hard for me to figure out. But now I'm in the key of C, okay? So let's do the solfege first. Notice it doesn't start on C. They're not always gonna start on the tonic or do or whatever key you're in, okay? So if I know this is do, C, what does it start on? Do, re, mi. Starts on mi. Do. What's that? So, right? Re. And then that is what we started on, mi, and back home to do. So that one skips around a little bit. So you have to think, even though that's mi, that's not do. So C is your do. All right, now, how do I transpose this? Now we're gonna go down. We're going down a major second, okay? They want us to go down a major second. So if you're here on C, what's down a major second? The distance of a major second is from C to D, which is 3 notes, 1, 2, 3. Right? Including that black note, 1, 2, 3. If you're gonna descend, it would be C, B, B flat. So you'd have to be in the key of B flat for it to be a major second. Then what I do is I just bring all of this down. And I'm still same rhythm, same solfege. Oh, I should put that stem up. I knew that looked weird. Okay. Same thing. Mi doesn't change. Do, etc. Okay? Now, if I were giving you a test or quiz, I would not give you any descending because I think that's just hard right now. I think it's easier to find going up a perfect fourth, going up a major third, going up a minor third even, I think is easier than the descending ones. Okay, so I hope that helps. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make an audio recording of what these sound like.